Hi everybody, this is Brendan from LemPlates, and in today's video I'm breaking down whether MaintainX is worth it in 2026, who it's actually great for, what it does well, where it frustrates teams, and when a simpler template first tool makes more sense. MaintainX is strongest for teams doing operational, repeatable, physical work. That usually means maintenance and facilities teams, manufacturing and plant operations, field service and inspections, and safety, compliance, and preventative maintenance. In terms of team size, it fits best once you have at least a small team and not a solo operator, shared assets or locations, and recurring procedures that must be tracked. If your work needs timestamps, accountability, and proof that something was done, Maintain X is in its element. It's not designed for abstract planning or lightweight documentation. It's designed for execution on the ground. We'll go to my library and we'll select the example procedure. Let's use this one. We'll call it week 13. Right. So strength number one is execution speed in the field. Once a system is set up, Maintain X is fast where it matters. Technicians open the app and they can see exactly what's assigned. They follow a step-by-step procedure and they complete the work without having to guess. The mobile experience is polished, which matters for frontline teams. You're not fighting the interface while doing physical work. Strength number two is collaboration and invisibility. For example, I can see here in week 12, it's visible to everybody I assigned the task to. They can clearly see that it's in progress and have updated access to the required checked fields. So everyone can see what is done, what is overdue, and what is blocking the process. This reduces back and forth and removes ambiguity. For teams that need shared visibility in real world execution, this is a real strength. Two frustrations that teams can run into. Number one, customization can feel heavy. Maintain X gives you a lot of power, but that power comes with complexity. As workflows grow, teams often hit friction when trying to adapt templates beyond the default structure, reusing templates across different contexts, and keeping things simple over time. What starts clean can slowly become rigid. That's fine for regulated environments, but it's less flexible when you want to share templates across different teams and organizations. If you want to reuse standards without copying and reconfiguring, or even if you want to build a living library of best practice templates. The tool is execution first, not template first, and that distinction matters. At a high level, MaintainX's pricing reflects what it offers: operational depth, compliance features, and team based execution. For teams that rely on it daily, the value is there. But for smaller teams or documentation focused use cases, it can feel more like a tool that you actually need. So, the verdict: is MaintainX worth it in 2026? Yes, if you manage real world operations, if you need accountability and execution tracking, and if your team runs procedures every single day. For context, this is how we do this in LemPlates, which is the tool we use ourselves. LemPlates becomes an easy pick when your priority is reusable templates and standards. If you want your speed without operational overhead, and if you're building a shared library of checklists and SOPs. MaintainX executes your work, and LemPlates standardizes how work is defined. If you want to see this approach in full, LemPlates is linked below.